Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the Kemo TV application to your Firestick or Android TV. The whole process is super easy and will take you only a couple of minutes. First of all, you'll have to get an app called Downloader. You can actually get it totally for free from the official Amazon App Store. To do so, we just go to search on your device and start typing Downloader in the search bar. And now, as you can see, the downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So we gotta click on the app and get it to your device. But after you've got the downloader, it is not over yet. We'll still have to set it up. So now, in order to actually set up the downloader, we gotta go to the settings by clicking on that button with the gear icon. Then we scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Let's open it. And from here, we'll have to turn on the developer options on your device. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Firestick devices, the developer options can be hidden by default. So if that's the case and you are unable to find developer options anywhere, no need to worry, it's actually easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you'll have to click on the middle button on your remote for 7 times, and do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now at the bottom for me it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which now have appeared for us right here. Let's open them. Make sure to turn on the ADB debugging options on your device. Then you gotta go to install unknown applications. From here, locate the downloader and now turn the option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in the official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now finally we gotta go to the list of apps on your device, which is right here, and there you'll find Downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your device. But before actually using Downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use, and they're not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Canada right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means no one can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now finally, let's use Downloader safely. So now finally we go back to the list of apps on your device, which is right here, and there's the Downloader. So start it up and wait until the app loads for you. Then here on the left side menu, it's very important that you click on Home and not on Browser. So once again, click on Home, and now in that search bar we'll need to enter a link. So the link is going to be KemoWebTV.com, so let's enter it together. Once again, it's Kemo, then it should be WebTV.com. So there we go, there's the link. You can see it on your screen right now. Make sure to enter it exactly as you see and do not make any mistakes, because obviously if you make a mistake, then the link is not going to work. After that, you'll have to click on go, and while the website is loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you will get even more content about Firesticks. Then when the website opens, just click on that sandwich button right here, go to downloads. After that, just scroll down the page, click on download for Android, and now in a couple of moments, the download is going to start. Usually it doesn't take long, but of course, it all depends on your connection speed. In my case, I got a pretty fast connection. Then just click on install and wait until the app gets installed to your Firestick or Android TV, depending on what kind of device you're using. And then don't click on open yet, instead press on done, because this way we'll have an option to delete the installation files, as we don't need them anymore on your device. So click on delete here and then delete once again. This way we get rid of unnecessary files from our Firestick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important because you don't have too much of free space on your Firestick anyway. Then finally we gotta go to the list of apps on your device, open it, and there you'll find the Kemo TV in the list of your applications. Now, I would recommend you to click on the Options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on Move to Front. This way, application is always going to be at the very top of your list and it will be easier for you to access it every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble. Enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.